One idea. One idea can change your life. And that idea comes when you least expect it. When your life is falling apart. When your life is upside down. And the same happened with me. When I was sitting alone in the park, it was 2 a.m. I was depressed. I was sad. I felt I am a failure. I didn't know what to do with my life. I felt I couldn't see what's on the other side of darkness. I felt I'm a failure. I couldn't even imagine myself giving a TED talk after 6 years. But here I am. At that moment, I felt my inner dialect was maybe I should shift to Mumbai. Just like any other struggling actor, I should go there and struggle. And that's when my gut whispered, start your own YouTube channel. That one idea changed my entire life. Let's see what I did wrong to get it right. Let me take you a little back. I was just like a normal middle class girl. The biggest dream for me was to go to college, get a degree, and eventually get married. After doing my BBA, my father wanted me to pursue MBA. But I realized 3 years of BBA and I don't know a thing about business. I couldn't afford to waste another 2 years in MBA. I was craving to be in the field. I was craving to have real life experience. I was craving to go in the market and learn something. So that was my first no. And after that, I did pursue many careers. I trained in singing. I did yoga teacher training. I even got a job for some time. Relatives said government jobs are the best. This is the best life you can imagine for yourself. So, yes, I prepared for government exams. I did. But none of it was my calling. At this point, I at least knew what I don't want to do. So, I learned numerology. I became a numerologist. I even liked doing numerology. I started earning well. I featured on national television. My parents were super proud of me. They were very happy. But me, the spark was missing. I could see this is not my end game. I cannot do this for my entire life. So I stopped. And people called me lazy. They called me, you don't want to do anything. But me being me, life में adventure तो होना ही चाहिए ना. So I got into acting. And I loved it. I liked acting. I could feel the joy. But joy does not pay bills. So just like any Indian parent, my parents sat me down, told me just continue numerology. This is a reputed field. You will get paid, you will earn, and acting is so uncertain. We don't have contacts in Bollywood. You don't even know how to act. But जैसे कि मैंने कहा लाइफ में एडवेंचर हो तो मजा आता है. So I chose acting. I stood in front of mirror, practiced for hours, taught myself how to act. And businessman की बेटी हूँ तो सोचा अपनी ही वेब सीरीज बनाती हूँ. पापा के पैसे इन्वेस्ट कर दिए एक वेब सीरीज में and I'll act in it. But it failed miserably. मैक्सिमम 10,000 लोगों ने देखा होगा उस वेब सीरीज को. Fast forward to year 2020, I was sitting alone in the park. It was night, it was 2 a.m., and I was depressed, I was sad, I was embarrassed of my life choices. I thought, what have I done? Now, what will I do next in my life? And that's when my gut whispered, start your own YouTube channel. Imagine, I never wanted to be a YouTuber. But at this point, I was like, I have tried so many careers, might as well give it a chance. What's the loss in it? So, yes, I started my own YouTube channel with my sister. मुझे पता था व्यूज के पीछे नहीं भागना, मुझे पता था कंटेंट कॉपी नहीं करना, मुझे पता था ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक नहीं उठाने, मुझे पता था मुझे सिर्फ वही कंटेंट बनाना है जिससे मुझे और मेरे व्यूअर्स को सच में खुशी मिले. एंड इस प्रोसेस में आई रियलाइज्ड माय मिस्टेक्स वर नेवर माय मिस्टेक्स. They were my learnings, they were my experiences that I could put in my content in the form of characters. जब मैं अपने characters लिखती थी, मुझे खुद नहीं पता था कि people will relate with them. I always thought I am anything but relatable. And today I am known for making the most relatable videos. The journey was not easy. This career was not paying me well. Initially, I had to push myself, but what kept me going was the love, the joy, the satisfaction, the completeness I felt immediately after posting every single video on my YouTube channel. I kept going. Even though I wasn't getting any views, I wasn't getting paid, there were no brand deals. But the joy, the happiness, the completion I felt immediately after making a video was compared to nothing. And after 1 year, with the consistency, I started getting brand deals. I started getting millions of views. I started getting the love, recognition. But the success is totally deserving to the consistency and the love from my audience. 6 years I kept going on and I started making money. Every single video I posted on my YouTube channel crossed millions and millions of views. Every single video I posted on my YouTube channel was trending on the top 5 list of YouTube. People would wait, families would wait for every single video of mine. The love, the recognition I got from this career wouldn't have been possible if I didn't hear that one idea, that one whisper that day. The journey of 0 to 19 million subscribers wouldn't have been possible if I didn't listen to that one idea, which changed my entire life. That one whisper that can change anyone's life if we just listen to it.